Yeah, this is fine. Hi guys, good morning. It's the लेबल बाज़ार होने के बाद का वीकेंड. मैं आपको अब जो वीडियो दिखाने वाली हूँ इट्स गोइंग टू बी द लेबल बाज़ार डे. तो आई वांटेड टू काइंड ऑफ गिव अ डिस्क्लेमर बिफोर आई स्टार्ट. तो मैं जितना रिकॉर्ड कर सकी लेबल बाज़ार के दिन आई रिकॉर्डेड. यूजली एवरी वन मस्ट बी एक्सपेक्टिंग अ लॉन्गर व्लॉग जो नहीं है क्योंकि लेबल बाज़ार इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डेज इन my life, every single label bazaar. So I'm kind of most of the time kind of figuring लोग आ रहे थे मिलने में and everything, but I still tried my best to record whatever I could, bits and pieces of it. So I hope you enjoy watching. Just know that हर एक लेवल बाज़ार शो क्यूरेट होता और हम लोग जो पुट टुगेदर करते, we do it with a lot of designers and with lots and lots of love, and none of this could have been possible without my team. वहीदा ग्राइंडर ऑन कर दिया. So लेवल बाज़ार, everybody had a great show. I had a great show, and I hope you have a great time watching this vlog. So come on, let's go watch it now. Hi guys, good morning. I just woke up. Welcome back to my vlog. I'm too sleepy. But today is the TLV day. It's 7 o'clock. I'm up. I'm just about to get ready. And I'm going to show you everything that I do on my TLV day. Hi guys, today is one of the most stressful days in my life. Honestly, हर लेबल बाज़ार वैसे ही रहता. तो और स्पेशली ऐसे दिनों में ऐसा होता है कि अपन जंक फूड ज़्यादा खा लेते हैं एंड स्टफ़. तो मैं आपको 2 प्रोडक्ट्स से इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाह रही थी. सबसे पहले तो ओजीवा का ACV माचा, द एप्पल साइडर विनेगर माचा. इट हेल्प्स मी इन अ बंच ऑफ थिंग्स. इट हेल्प्स मी इन वेट लॉस, इट हेल्प्स मी इन बैलेंसिंग माई ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स, इट हेल्प्स मी इन लाइटनिंग माई स्किन एंड मेनी मोर. This is 100% natural and is made with plant-based ingredients. CV matcha has matcha in it. Matcha क्या है अपने को सब मालूम, most of us को मालूम. It's a Japanese green tea and it's very rich in antioxidants. What matcha also does, it blocks the UV rays on your skin. It reduces skin pigmentation and also it evens out your skin tone. दिस हैज़ पोमोग्रेनेट एंड जिंजर इन इट. तो ये अपने को डाइजेशन में भी हेल्प करता और अपनी जो एसिडिटी रहती वो भी बहुत रिड्यूस हो जाती. कम लेट मी शो यू हाउ एग्जैक्टली आई यूज़ दिस प्रोडक्ट. मैं बेसिकली वार्म वाटर ले लेती हूँ 150 ml. फिर ये जो अपना ओजीवा का प्रोडक्ट है, आई विल ओपन दिस. इसके अंदर एक स्पून रहता, दिस वन. आई टेक 1 scoop ऑफ the ACV matcha, put it in. I also wanted to introduce you guys to this particular product. It's the Inner Glow Face Wash by Oziva. This face wash cleanses your pores and brightens up your skin. इसमें vitamin E है which is very rich in antioxidants and helps repair the skin. This product also has white peony in it which helps reduce pigmentation and helps repairing the skin. Literally guys, after using ये वाला face wash, it's actually a foam based face wash, so you feel really refreshed. Your skin actually feels better. So it's really simple. I just take 2 pumps of this and massage it around my face for a minute. And it's literally so refreshing. So guys, देर किस बात की है, quickly go check these products out. And also not to forget mentioning 26th October, Oziva has started announcing 99 rupees Tuesdays. तो आपको ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएंगे for 99 rupees each, that's all. So mark your calendars and don't forget to shop from Oziva. I'm ready, wearing a very different outfit. I will show you. This is what I'm wearing. This usually South Indian brides wear. And with sneakers, of course. Ready for TLV day. Guys, we are ready, leaving. मी, असद एंड सना. सना रेडी नहीं है, अब उन्हें जाके चाबी ले लो. हाँ गुड.
अच्छा सेटअप होगा ना.
लोग आएंगे.
हाँ 100% आएंगे क्यों नहीं, बिल्कुल आएंगे.
गाइस होप यू ऑल आर वेल. अब मैं लेवल बाज़ार में आ गई, लोग आना स्टार्ट हो गए. मैं असद के साथ कुछ वॉक ले रही हूँ बस. इंशाल्लाह आई होप द शो वाज वेल. मेरे को हर शो से पहले इतनी हैबत होती. सो या जस्ट अंदर गई. आई विल शो यू अराउंड द होल प्लेस व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक एंड एवरीथिंग इज वेल. This is what it looks like when the show begins. Slowly लोग fill in होते. These are the stalls. This is what it kind of looks like. Decor ऐसा था. We try to make it a little different with the decor. Usually exhibitions में कुछ भी नहीं रहता, तो हम लोग ट्राई करते कि एग्जीबिशन में वॉक करने का भी एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा रहता है. आई होप अगर आप हैदराबाद से नहीं हैं, आप लोग को लेवल बाज़ार की एक ग्लिम्स मिल रही है. और अगर आप लोग लेवल बाज़ार को नहीं आए, नेक्स्ट टाइम डेफिनेटली आइए. ओके कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं दिख रहे थे. कितने आते हैं? कितने नंबर पर?
मेरे हिसाब से देखो 1000 से 1500 लोग आते हैं.
बहुत कम है.
हाँ
कम से कम 3000.
मिनिमम 2000 तो आते.
गाइस नवाज इज, मैं नवाज के बगैर एक दिन फंक्शन नहीं कर सकती हूँ बेसिकली. Alicia's here, Alex here, and me waiting. लोग तो आ गए और आने का वेट कर रहे हैं. Hey guys, so we are just here. We are chilling, waiting for people to come. It's 12:30, 2.5 hours since we started the show. अभी तक तो रिस्पॉन्स अमेजिंग है, बट वी आर होपिंग इट ओनली गेट्स बेटर एंड बेटर. एक्चुअली जुम्मा है तो लॉट ऑफ पीपल जुम्मे के बाद आते. सो वी आर वेटिंग. असद ऊपर खाने गए, बाबा भी ऊपर गए. आई थिंक उन लोग नमाज को जाके आएंगे. सो आई विल बी वेटिंग हियर. हाय गाइस, वी आर एट द लेवल बाज़ार. द लेवल बाज़ार 15th season. We have a lot of festive wear, wedding wear, festive wear, ready to wear available here. Around 12:31 हो रहे. The response has been amazing and we are hoping to have a better response to it. One day shoot.
कितना शॉट्स है?
They are close to 70-75 designers. They are from all over the country. एक डिज़ाइनर What is the final price for this one? The price is
perfectly good and one food after 10.
Hi Divya, how's it going?
Going good, thank you.
Mama is here.
मैं घर
Anusha, how are you feeling?
Great.
और हमारे इंटर्न पर है
Amazing guys.
Can you get me?
लोग हैं
You have a chance. Which people are we supposed to like take more videos of? Choppers or designers?
फ्रेश हो गया है शायद गाइस पलक के घर से मखाना आया एज यूजुअल
तो ये कहाँ छुपा कर रखा?
अब भी आया उसका
I saw him.
नहीं देना चाह रहे थे
I got it for you guys.
No, he was hiding it over there. I saw, guys.
Uncle आए फिर exhibition को, so we gave him a round with Baba. He walked around, he had a good time, clicked a few pictures. देखिए कैसा था वो.
So happy to be here. I wish them all the best. I think their hard work is paying off. I see so many people here. I mean, buying things. I mean, hopefully next time they will have something for men also.
Yeah, perfect. That's what I listened.
So for men also they should have something. So it will be very good. I wish them all the best, and I hope and pray that it's a big success. And hopefully it will happen again and again and again and again. Over there.
Thank you. Guys, this is Ammu and that's Mariam. They are my nieces. कुछ बोलो guys.
You mean hi guys?
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. We are finally. लोग तो है.
पूरी गली में भर गए लोग लड़ रहे कपड़े लेने इतने लोग हैं छीन ले रहे
Guys, finally. The crowd is
to buy one
amazing.
लहंगा
The crowd is amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna do my final round here. It's absolutely crazy. Guys, all my friends are here. These two are one of my closest friends. That's Varki and that's Murtaza. Show your face. Eligible bachelor.
soon to be committed
के बराबर होगा. अगर आप टाइट हो जाता है तो यहाँ पे एक
अभी तो आपका 1.5 साल से आपका गिरावट है गिरावट है
चलो 1, 2, 3 go. Hi guys, from Label Bazaar. Killed it. लोग तो आए थे ना. Please और नहीं.
जाके मिल के आओ जल्दी मंसूर हाउ डिड यू कम
I was boarding my
Asad,
flight
one
when I
second.
got
Did you
a
ever get so happy to see me?
what
Did you ever get this happy to see me?
Mansur is my best friend so I'll be happy like how you are happy to see Palak same way
Hi guys, we are back in the room for the after party. No party, सिर्फ food.
Guys, yeah, it's over.
We are dead.
Guys, I'm really, you know who I'm missing?
अरे सूरज कोई पर
Bye guys. So when I began, I was trying to tell you guys none of this would have been possible without my team. When I started off, it was just me and a bunch of girls. Tanusha actually मेरी first employee थी. वो टाइम पे उसकी सैलरी बिल्कुल ही कम थी क्योंकि मेरे भी बजट्स नहीं थे. But it was so funny. It was like me who's just passed out of college and Tanusha who was still in college. हम लोग की टीम से we were trying to put together a show. There were a bunch of other girls also who worked with us. But it's so amazing to see where Label Bazaar has reached from there. And honestly, my team is really fierce. They are really strong and we are majority of girls, and it's absolutely amazing to see, where we have come. There are a bunch of people I want to thank, but most importantly, my 3 pillars of strength, Tanusha, Sanskriti and Sana. Without them, none of this would have been possible. They are like my own, sisters. Like, they literally sort everything out for me. I'd also like to thank all the other members of my team. Ipshita, I know I scold you a lot, but thank you for doing everything that you do. I hope you know I appreciate it, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna stop scolding you. Of course, we have a couple of new members who are treating Label Bazaar like their family. Disha, Khushi, Ayushi, Afzal, Muhib. थैंक यू फॉर जस्ट जॉइनिंग टीम. लाइक 1-2 महीने पहले अब आप लोग बिल्कुल एक फैमिली के वैसा ट्रीट करते हैं लेबल बाज़ार को. ऑफकोर्स मुजम्मिल एंड मिर्ज़ा, 2 lazy people, but they kind of leave their laziness when it comes to Label Bazaar, so thank you. This time I also had a bunch of Asad's cousins who helped me out to put together the show, Hussain, Saad and kind of Saif. So thank you guys for being there and stuff. A special mention because we are talking about this show in particular. My friends and family, without him none of this would have been possible. Zoya or Palak, aap log to this time you guys were there with me and stuff, but a bunch of other friends as well who always show up. I can literally not count them because there are so many of you, but thank you. You know exactly who you are. Thank you for showing up every single time. And of course, last but not the least, my family, my parents, Asad's parents and Asad. Thank you guys. A special mention to Asad, who's constantly around me. Even sometimes I tell him, I'll sort it out, but he's like, no, I'll be there. So thank you, Asad. None of this would have been possible without you. For putting this whole thing together for me. Thanks to my friends, families, husband's family, husband's parents, everybody. Thank you. Api, Izhan, Mama, Baba, Shoaib bhai, Asad, uncle, auntie और असद सब बोल दी ना. अब मैं भूल गई तो मैं भूल गई guys, but everybody. And most importantly, thank you to all the shoppers who always come, show up and shop. My designers, thank you guys. Thank you for trusting us always. And last but not the least, the sponsors as well. This time it was Taruni and Mangat Rai. Thank you so much guys. Your support is gonna be appreciated forever.